So guys, today I'm going to share some wonderful ideas with you. How you want to know or you want to impress a girl. So I'll give you some of the nice tips I think that will make a girl likes you. It does not work 100%, but it works most of the time. I might not cover everything in this video, but I'll give you the important ones you need. So let's go into it. Number one, first thing I want you to do is I want you to be confident. Be confident. When you are speaking, show authority. When you are with her, don't be scared. Don't be afraid that if I say something, she might get me wrong and get mad at me. Anything you want to say it out. Show the boldness, the confidence. Yeah, show all things. That's the first thing. Be confident. Don't be scared. Don't be like the woman. Men are meant to be bold. You're not a woman, so you should not be scared. Number two, be genuine. Yeah. Although this does not work effectively with women of these days or ladies of these days, when you are genuine, sometimes you end up being used. You understand? So I will advise you be genuine in any situation though.